This could be the car for you. The 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an Avalanche that delivers the security and comfort of a full-size SUV and the practicality of a pickup. Smooth, quiet, rugged, and thoughtfully designed to be as pleasant to drive as it is useful. This versatility vehicle was designed with your lifestyle in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Tackle the demands of your busy life with ease in this comfortable Avalanche. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.